The FCT Administration has assured of continuous support to eradicating HIV and AIDS in the territory. Mandate Secretary FCTA, Health and Environment Services Secretariat, Dr. Adedolapo Fasawe gave the assurance at an event to commemorate 2 million lives in care milestone by AIDS Healthcare Foundation. Here is the report.
The event, put together by AHF Nigeria office, provided an opportunity for stakeholders to take stock of the journey towards combating HIV/AIDS globally in general and Nigeria in particular. In her remarks, Dr. Fasawe drew attention to the fact that efforts must also be geared towards prevention of the disease.
In making purposes, it has to be for passion. And it is this same passion that I want to implore us, on the other side, government, policymakers, to also try and do more advocacy in driving down the prevalence of HIV. Whilst we can be celebrating 2 million lives, it could have been 12 million lives. But if next year we are celebrating 2 million lives or 2.5 million lives, and our prevalence has also dropped dramatically, then we should be happy.
The country program director of AHF Nigeria, Dr. Eche Ijezi, provided a breakdown of the numbers.
As of 2009, worldwide AHF had 100,000 patients. Moving forward in 2013, it climbed to 250,000 patients, lives in care. In 2015, it climbed to 500,000 patients in care. In October 1, 2018, there were 1 million lives in care. It was a major milestone for us at that time. In 2020, towards the end of COVID era, 1.5 million lives in care were recorded. And today, in July 2024, we are here gathered to mark 2 million lives in care. As AHF continues its fight against the HIV/AIDS pandemic, the organization remains steadfast in its commitment to advocating for access to HIV treatment and care for everyone who needs it.
There were goodwill messages from governmental and non-governmental organizations that have been partnering with AHF over the years.
Of the 4-point agenda of the present administration, the first one being improving governance and leadership, the second one being improving population health outcome. Population health outcomes is what we are doing falls within that focus. The third one being unlocking the health sector value chain, which we are ensuring that Nigerians be on the path.
On this milestone of reaching 2 million persons in care for HIV, it is by no means a small feat, knowing that in these numbers we have countless strategy sessions, countless resources, countless human resources and man-hours has gone into these 2 million. So it is by no means a small feat. For that, we like...
The event also featured presentation of awards and recognition to individuals and organizations for their efforts towards eradicating HIV/AIDS in Nigeria.